lovers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up, y'all? I know I've been gone for quite long time now. I'm sorry, I've been out for literally a month. You know, it's been hard trying to do YouTube and my 9 to 5. YouTube is not easy to be doing, even though I love doing makeup, you know, but it's just everything that comes with YouTube, with the editing and, you know, the filming and all that stuff that comes with a YouTuber. It's kind of gets overwhelming, you know, and trying to do balance life, family, job, and it could get a little bit hectic. And I took a break, you know, with the holidays we're approaching and working double shift and everything like that. So it's been hectic, and now that the holiday's over and we in 2020, baby, happy new year's to everybody. I miss filming, I miss, you know, just being myself and just playing around in makeup, you know. I've been doing makeup off and on, but it's not like, you know, when I film I really get into the zone, and it's been a while for me, you know. So I'm happy to be here, I'm happy to be filming, and hopefully this year I could be more consistent and bring out more videos for you guys. And I'm gonna try my best to bring out everyday videos, even if I had to put in overtime, you feel me? Like, I'm gonna try to be consistent, like on my days off, film like 2 videos back to back, because YouTube, you guys, you got to be consistent to be out there, to be noticed, to be known, you know, in the YouTube world. Like, you gotta step up your freaking grind, honey. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But anyways, I'm so happy to be filming. I'm so happy to be here with you guys. Hope everybody's been doing good. Hope you guys having a beautiful, blessed 2020 so far. So I want to show you, before I jump into the tutorial, I want to show you a couple of things that I bought last year in December, and it's one of my favorite palette so far, because I've been watching reviews and seeing tutorials on it, and it was out of stock back in November, and I put an order in, so they had it on hold till December when they re-upped their stock, and I did, and I'm so happy I purchased it because I've been playing with it and I love it. It's the Tati Beauty palette. This is how she's looking, and I'm obsessed with this palette. This palette is amazing. Look how beautiful this looks. Like, look at the glitter. You could make so many beautiful looks with this using this palette. Like, I'm so obsessed. And you get this beautiful big mirror that, like, is bomb. And this is no joke. Like, this is top notch. And it was, I believe $45, was it? 50, something like that. But it was very, very worth it, and I'm so happy that I got this palette. Another thing that I purchased was, excuse me, I went to, where's this, Marshall's, and I was gallivanting through the clearance aisle, and I came across this palette. Is the Alisa Edwards, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is another beautiful palette I picked up, and it was only 20 bucks. Like, you can't beat that. Let me show you guys real quick. Real quick. This is how it looks. Beautiful. I can't wait to try and play around with this palette. And you know how you be going through TJ Maxx and Marshalls and you be going through the makeup section, and some of the makeups be busted, and it be some affordable high-end, you know, makeup. And luckily this one was behind, like it was sealed inside this case where you got to take it to the front desk and they got to open it. It was behind that, and I told the lady at the register, like, can you open it? Can I see, make sure everything's intact? And it was, and I was so happy. And this was the last one, guys. Like, and I seen this on, I went online to see how much it actually costs online, and it's like 40 to 50 bucks, and I got it for 20 bucks, and you can't beat that. Okay. Another thing I purchased was some Juvia's products. I got me the peachy blush. It looks like that. So pretty. I've been obsessed with this blush. I also got me the red lipstick, and it looks like this. So bomb. Like, I had this on New Year's Eve. So pretty with a nice I did like a, what is it, a natural slash with the little glitter on the lid with this pop of red color on the lips. Was amazing. And I also picked up the Juvia's brushes, which they remind me of the Napoleon ice cream, like, no lie. Like, they got this the chocolate and the pink and the brown in it, and it, like, that ass remind me of the Napoleon ice cream. Or just me, like, really. And they blend so beautifully, like, they're very soft, and I've been obsessed with these brushes. So yeah, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. So if you guys want to see how I create a beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to share this video with my whole whole family. Let them know what the girls doing over here in this channel. Because we lit. Till next time, guys. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.